I make architectural drawings, but in case all kind of plans, floor plans, house plans, interiors, 2D drawings, 3D drawings. So actually we make everything that's possible in drawing.
Is this your dream job?
I love it. Yes, I love it. Yeah, you can make somebody's dream become reality. So if you make a good design, it's not only the pleasure of making the design, but it's also a pleasure to bring this to people and show what you have made, what you have created actually, because sometimes there are things that not exist, and I really love it. I think the most difficult thing is to get somebody's ideas and mangle it around and make it a whole structure. It's a difficult thing to take all these ideas in one piece and then bring the people something they like. And you have to impress them in one time. You can't come with something they don't like, because so that gives a bit of a pressure, but actually it's a good thing. It's a good thing. I was looking for a program for drawing 2D, 3D, and I saw a lot of programs I didn't like because some things weren't good for me. I was looking for something that actually was drawing 2D and at the same time giving me the building in 3D, but also I needed all the information about the building, because I don't have the time to calculate and put all my time in how many square meters I have, and I need more time to design and to keep the client happy, and I needed all the rest in one time, and that's actually what this program does for me, to give me all the information. When you draw something, there's always this time limit to reach something, and actually when you see the program and you do things in a way, it can go really quickly. So actually the complete working together of all the parts and then be able to render it and use the same render directly in the layout, and that's an amazing thing. I think for actually learning, the best way is to ask help on Skype. When you draw maybe 1 or 2 houses, then the rest will go really easy, but it's kind of understanding that there is a new dimension. It's not only lines and hatches and things, but there is also the levels, and if you can understand this system, then it will go really quick.
And what do you recommend for those who are just getting familiar with the software?
I think the best thing for me was to watch movies. I took some movies out and watched them, and sometimes rewatched them, and for me, see what happens is the best thing to learn. For me, that was the best part.